This is my individual project for Milestone 3 CS490. Here I'll start the back end and front end. So here I have my landing page with 4 features. You could view the top 5 films, and you could also view the top 5 actors. If you click on any of these, you could see the details. You could also click on the actors to view the top 5 films that they were a part of. Those are the 4 features I have on my landing page. On my films page, there are 3 features. You could search through any of the films by the title, the genre, or any of the actors in the films. You could also view the details of any of these films. So if I were to click here, you could see the actor that I searched for shows up. And you also have the feature to rent a film out to a customer. So let's say I want to rent this film out to a customer. I just need to provide their ID. So I'll provide ID 5. And I get a message saying that it was successfully rented. So those are the 3 features on the films page. And on the customers page, I have 7 features. You can view the list of all the customers with PageNation. You could also search through any of these by first name, last name, or ID number. You also have the ability to add a new customer. So I added that customer, and I could search for him. And he shows up here. This is the customer I just added. You also have the ability to edit any customer. So if I click here, I could edit any of the information I had about him. So I click update customer, and then if I were to go to this button to view his details, I could see that the updates I made applied, and I could see all the details. I also have the ability to delete a customer. So here I could delete any customer as long as they don't have any active rentals. So I just made this customer and he doesn't have any active rentals. So if I click delete, it'll delete him. And he's gone. And as far as the rental function, I rented a film out to customer with ID 5. So if I go here and I look at this customer's rental history, I can see that they have 2 films that haven't been returned yet. So if I were to try to delete this customer, I'd get an error saying that he has active rentals. And I also have the ability to return a film by entering the rental ID. So let's say I want to return this film. Enter the ID and I click return and I get returned successfully. And if I try to return a film that's already been returned, I also get an error saying that it's already been returned. So if I go back to that customer's details, I can now see that it's been updated and the film is now returned. And those are all the 7 features for my customers page, and all the 14 features for the entire app.